Understanding cave ceiling, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase cave ceiling. You might wonder why we're talking about caves in an English learning session. Well, English is full of phrases that draw on imagery from the world around us, and understanding them can really illuminate the language. So let's dive in and discover what cave ceiling means and how you can use it in everyday English. When we talk about a cave ceiling, we're referring to the upper surface inside a cave. Just like the ceiling in a room, it's above your head when you stand inside the cave. But in English, we can also use this phrase metaphorically to talk about reaching the limits of a particular situation or coming up against a hard boundary that is difficult to break through. In a literal sense, a cave ceiling is a natural feature. It's formed by geological processes over thousands or even millions of years. When you're inside a cave, the ceiling can be a fascinating part of the cave's interior, often decorated with stalactites and other mineral formations. Metaphorically, the phrase cave ceiling might be used to describe the limit of one's abilities or the highest point one can reach in their career, personal growth, or any other journey. For instance, someone might say, "I've hit the cave ceiling in my current job," meaning they can't advance any further. Let's look at some examples of how to use cave ceiling in a sentence. After years of hard work, she felt she had reached the cave ceiling and needed a new challenge. The researchers were amazed by the intricate patterns on the cave ceiling. And that's a wrap on cave ceiling. Whether you're talking about a real cave or using the phrase to describe reaching your limits, it's a term that paints a clear picture. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you explore more fascinating aspects of the English language in our next video. Happy learning!